In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trello app. We'll walk through the simplest way to get Trello on your Windows PC using the Microsoft Store. Trello is a popular tool for organizing projects and tasks with boards, lists, and cards, and downloading it from the official store ensures you get the authentic, up-to-date version with the least hassle. Start by opening the Start menu on your PC. You'll find it in the bottom left corner of your screen on the taskbar. If it's easier, you can press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring it up instantly. The Start menu is your gateway to apps and system tools, and it's the quickest way to move to the Microsoft Store. Next, open the Microsoft Store. Look for the icon that resembles a shopping bag with the Windows logo. If you don't immediately see it in the Start menu, just begin typing Microsoft Store right there, and it should appear in the search results. Launching the store from here keeps everything trustworthy and secure. Once the Microsoft Store is open, click the search bar at the top of the window. It's usually located along the top navigation area, and may show faint text prompting you to search. Clicking directly in this bar ensures your search is scoped to apps in the store rather than the web. Now type Trello into the search bar. Take a moment to double-check your spelling to get the most accurate results. After you finish typing, the store will display matching apps. From the results, select the official Trello app. You'll recognize it by its clean, board-style branding and the publisher listed as Trello or Atlassian. Choosing the official listing helps you avoid lookalike tools and guarantees you're getting the supported desktop app with reliable updates and security. Finally, click Get or Install. You might see Get if you haven't added the app to your library before, or Install if it's already associated with your account. Clicking this button begins the download and installation automatically. You'll see a progress indicator showing the status. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so just give it time to complete. That's it. By following these steps, you've used the Microsoft Store to securely download Trello. If the search results take a moment to load, be patient and try again, and make sure your connection is stable. Once the installation completes, Trello will be ready on your PC so you can start organizing your tasks and projects with ease.